welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will be taking you to the Mandovi River to show you a complete update about what's happening by the casinos. So since we have all of the casinos which are open at this point in time, and I'll give you a complete update as to what's happening. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that notification bell, because I make videos almost on a daily basis giving you complete information about things that are happening in Goa. I also make videos on food, accommodation and travel. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So this is what it looks like. It's absolutely lit. I'll take you a little further and show you all of the crowd at the entrance. So all these days the lighting here was off on all of these casinos. Wow, the river looks so gorgeous. So this is Casino Pride. Wow, so gorgeous. And that's the ferry right there. And this is what it looks like. Mandovi River looks so gorgeous now with all of this lit up. And then further ahead, there's another casino, which is the Delton Jack, which is right at the entrance. So these are all the people waiting to get inside. It's currently around 10 in the night, so most of them are actually in the casino already. So this is the lighting. Wow, it looks so gorgeous. And the next here is Casino Pride. If you actually here by around 7:30, then you would find a lot of crowd actually standing and waiting outside to get inside. Okay, so further we have Big Daddy, I think, the entrances. Okay, yeah, so that's Big Daddy. You can check out the crowd here. So this is Big Daddy. Okay, so there's another entrance as well for Big Daddy, and this is crowded as well. Wow. And this is not even a Friday, so I can only imagine over the weekends, like, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, what would it be like? And this is your cruise, the river cruise. So all of this has started as well. So this is what Mandovi looks like in the night. It's so gorgeous. And up ahead there you have a nice restaurant. It's called Watermark. It's a floating restaurant. It's beautiful. You have some seating as well, which is on the boat. Wow, so this place is so lit. I mean, there's so much of lights all over with the casino branding. It's just so beautiful to see Goa back, like how it was once upon a time. This is Delton Jack. Okay, so we have some beautiful women outside for your photographs. Oh, this is so cool. This is so gorgeous. And that is the Atal Setu Bridge. It looks so beautiful at night. So you've seen the madness out there. Almost everything is open in Goa, and it is slowly getting back. And I've made a video about your nightclubs and also things that are open at this point in time. So there's no curfew and things like that. So I'll link that video as well in the description, as well as it is up right here. So don't forget to watch that video. It's time, I think, for all those of you who've been waiting for that vacation to come to Goa. It's time that you pack your bags and head right here, because you are going to have an amazing time. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also if you have any questions, comment them down below and I will make sure that I answer all of them. So until we meet again in my next vlog, bye for now.